Today I'm going to share the 3 steps on how to get paid on social media. Hi, my name is May. Welcome back to Supermom TV. So in today's topic on how to make money online, I'm going to cover the 3 steps on how to get paid on social media. Social media is the best platforms for you to make money online. You have all the ready customers on any social media platforms. Since we use social media on a daily basis, why not monetize your social media? Which is your favorite social media platform? Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram? For me, I love Instagram and YouTube the most because I'm a very visual person. I spend a lot of time watching videos and also browsing very aesthetic photos on Instagram. Let me know in the comments below which social media platform that you are addicted to. Before I jump right into the 3 steps on how to get paid on social media, if you are new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload 2 videos every week and my topic is mainly on how to make money online. So this topic on how to make money on social media is very broad. So today I'm going to cover the very first 3 steps on how you should start monetizing your social media. So all the 3 steps are very crucial for you to start with, because if you make it right, you are going to build a very good foundation for your social media, and it is much more easier for you to build a good following. So the first step is very simple. It's simple, but yet you need to do very deep thinking. You need to choose a topic. It seems easy, right? But there are so many topics that you can choose from. Which are the best topic to showcase to your audience? So one very good tip is you need to focus on something that you are very passionate about. So for me, I'm a very creative person. So my passion is being a creator. Hence, I'm a content creator. I like to create video contents, picture contents. That's why I'm on Instagram. I love creating videos. That's why I'm on YouTube. Since young, I love to act. I participate in many plays and I direct plays when I was in my secondary school. But too bad my career didn't lead me to any acting opportunities. I feel that it's unrealistic and I feel that I'm not good enough. Thanks to YouTube that I'm able to become a video creator myself. I can get to act, I can get to direct as well. YouTube is definitely my passion and YouTube is definitely an outlet of my creativity. So after choosing your topic, the next step is you need to dive in deeper and list 5 specific niche related to the topic that you chose. An example is beauty topic. So under the topic of beauty, there are many subtopics that you can list down. So do list down 5 specific niche. There are skincare, makeup category, weight loss is considered as beauty, anti-aging, as well as inner beauty. Because to look beautiful, you need to take care of inner as well. So when your body is nourished, you will have beautiful complexion. So yeah, this is the 5 example of a subcategory or a specific niche that you need to dive deep into. So the step number 2 to get paid on social media is know your purpose. What I mean by this is, what do you want to get out of it? Do you want to create a brand? So example for me, I am creating a branding for myself. So my brand is Supermom TV. So I'm creating YouTube and Instagram to create awareness of my brand. I do have a website as well. All my social media handles have the name of Supermom TV. So other example of purpose is perhaps you want to earn money on social media as a side income, or you just want to gain popularity. Some social media influencers are so popular that they already gain popularity and they have the fame. So their prices to be an influencer is not cheap. Many brands will approach them. So is this your purpose? Another example is, like for myself, YouTube and Instagram platforms are my outlets of creativity so that I can showcase my creativity, my video editing skills, my videography skills, my photography skills. These are all my passions, as well as making money online. This is my passion too. So I wish to educate and inspire individuals out there who is stuck with the 9 to 5 jobs. They can come to my channel and learn how to make money online. So this is my purpose. And the next example is, your purpose might be you want to be a social media influencer or a micro macro influencer. So some of you might just envy those YouTubers that they always receive sponsored packages, sponsored products, all the free products. So maybe this is your purpose and you just want to get free makeups, free travels. Yeah, maybe this is your purpose. So this is the second step that you should take if you want to get paid on social media. Last but not least, your purpose could be you just want to sell your products. Perhaps you have a ready products to sell, maybe you have an online store. Now to the step number 3, and this is the easiest step of all. This step is just you need to choose your platform. You definitely can choose more than one platform, but I would advise you to focus on one platform. So if you are good at taking very Instagram worthy pictures, then go ahead and open an Instagram account. I do suggest that you separate it from your personal Instagram account and just focus on the niche, because it is easier for you to reach the purpose if your topic is very specific. If you are in a travel niche, your Instagram contents should all be about travel. So what happened after the 3 steps and you start to gain popularity, you have a big following on your social media, then that is when you can start to promote your purpose. So there are a list of things that you can promote. Firstly, as a micro influencer, you can promote affiliate products. I will discuss more on affiliate marketing on my future videos. And with a good following on your social media, you can promote your own products and services. You can get sponsorship if you are aiming to be a social media influencer. You can monetize your YouTube channel if you intend to be a YouTuber. You can even sell your photos if you are a good photographer. And some of you might be very good at video editing and taking very good videos. You can even sell your footages to websites to make money. Some websites that you can submit your high quality photos and video footages are Bakestock, Shutterstock. Some very good quality and high demand photos can fetch up to $100 per photos. So this is also another way that you can make money online. So I hope today's sharing is valuable to you. If yes, please give this video a thumbs up and share my video. To follow me on my Instagram and my other social media. And for those who are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. If you want to know how I became an accidental influencer, you can watch the video over here, and please subscribe to me over this side, and I shall see you this Friday. Bye bye!